Let's start. The project name is Round Image View. Let's see the project structure. Here we have a main activity. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of main activity. Let's see the themes. Here we have used a custom style named Round Image View Style, and the corner size is set to 50%. Similarly, in the night theme also, we have used the exact same style. Let's see the UI. Here we have the circular image view. Let's see the code now. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the Shapeable Imageview. The height and width should be same in the value. Then we have set the padding and the content padding. Next, we have set the shape appearance overlay attribute to our custom style in the theme file. Then, we have set the image from the drawable folder. At last, we have set the stroke color and stroke width of the image view. Let's run the app. As you can see, the image view is circular in shape. So that's it. That's how you can implement a circular image view in Java Android. Thanks for watching.